I've decided to take a few days of a break and go a little bit for camping. I'm gonna be like stopping for those days with the volunteering, but I will be coming back. I still really like it here, and I really want to do a lot. So yeah, I decided to just have 4-day camping by the river, not too far away. So right now I'm gonna be packing my stuff and I'll be going. Yeah, the weather is not the best, but I'll survive. I know I have forgotten in my previous videos to show actually what kind of equipment I do have and I was traveling with. So let's go take a look right now. This is what I'm going to take with me to this journey for 4 days camping by a river. So yeah, I have a tent. As you can see, I have a solar charger, but the first 2 days, well, today and tomorrow, I will not have sun as I saw by the weather. I do have some fishing line and hooks, so I'm gonna get myself a fishing license for 1 day and try to catch some fish. I do have some random stuff like mosquito spray, some rope, stuff that might be good to use at some point. I have my hygiene stuff. You can see a small bag with my inflatable mattress. It's very comfortable to carry. I do have 3x3 meter tarp, just in case if I will want to make myself a better space to hide from the rain, which I will have today and tomorrow. I do have a pot. There's a smaller pot inside this pot and a cup. So yeah, that's gonna be for boiling the water, maybe making some food in it. On the right side, as you can see, I do have a thermal cup, so I can make myself some tea or just hot water if I would want for some reason and hold it for a bit longer. Over here I have a shaving machine that I can charge with the USB from my solar charger. So yeah, I want to have a little bit of shave my mustache a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking it with me. And over here, as you can see, I have some clothes, my towel, sunglasses, and in the big black bag I do have my blankets for nice and warm sleeping. So that's my bag. Well, it seems like it's free, but it actually like connects to one. It's a 100-liter bag with those two 8-liter sides that you can disconnect from the bag itself and use as separate ones if you need to. So that's pretty neat. I'm gonna take yeah, the rubber boots, because it will be raining and everything is wet at the current moment, so it would be nice to have my feet dry. And over here, as you can see, I have a hunting knife and a foldable saw. And this is also a tripod that I got today, so that will be helpful for filming. Thank you, Lars. And I do have my pillow, which is also right here now. Yeah, that's the stuff I'm gonna be taking, and I will also try probably to take these 2 bamboo shots. I'm gonna see what I can do with them, maybe just craft something or use it as a fishing pole, so we'll see later. But that's my equipment right now. I checked the maps. The place where I'm going to is 3.8 kilometers away. But first up, I'm gonna make it the closest village to take a little bit of water. I'm gonna go to the shop and buy some buns, probably a
I do have some food, a little bit of chicken, apples, nuts. But yeah, I need just a little bit more and I should be okay. So let's go. Right now I'm entering the village of Villa de Franca. Yeah, I'm a bit tired. First I'm gonna go and fill up a bottle of water and then to the shop. Yeah, this is the closest village to our place, well, the place where I'm volunteering at. It's 1.5 kilometers. Yeah, meaning that's how much I've already walked out of 3.8. Shouldn't be that hard. This is the place where we refill the water for home, and I'm gonna fill up my bottle. And as you can see, it's also a place to the laundry. But yeah, no, let's go away. Let's get some water. Time to go to the shop. This is basically the center, you might say, of the village. It's really not big. That's the main sign over there. And on the right side of the road, there's a bar. And the shop is right behind the bar. So I've got myself some delicious buns, and yeah, I'm back on the way. Let's hope I'm gonna be there before it's gonna get dark, because I really want to be putting up my tent in the light. We'll see how that goes. Nice. Nothing much to see on the other side, though on this side it's really beautiful. So far so good. I have less than 1 kilometer left to the place. Yeah, I'm really glad no rain has fallen on me yet, but I don't know what's gonna happen soon, and it's getting darker. Yeah, I started very late. I had some things to do throughout the day, so I didn't have that much time to go, and I'm hoping to make it. Yeah. All right, that's the place. It's already a little bit dark. Oh, look, there's a salamander on the ground running. It's already pretty dark. Yeah, I reached this place. It's a pity I cannot show you it better. Yeah, I think there might be a spot under the bridge to put the tent. Maybe that would be better. Let's take a look. The ground ain't that even. I have taken a look around. Yeah, there are some pretty nice spots for the tent, but it's on open grass with no trees above me and very close to the water. I'm not sure if I want to try that. I don't know how much it's gonna rain for the night. I already saw that one river here after some heavier rains was overflowing and getting into like territory, like, yeah, I wouldn't want that to happen to me. So yeah, probably I will stay here under the bridge. Yeah, I'm quite exhausted. To be honest, this is my 4th day with almost no sleep. I do have insomnia right now. So the last time I've slept was from Sunday to Monday, I think, but it was 3.5 hours, and right now it's Wednesday. Yeah, I need to put up the tent. Gonna have something to eat. I'm probably just gonna try to rest and see if I can fall asleep tonight. See you in the morning.
Good morning, everybody. What can I say? Another sleepless night. I cannot get rid of my insomnia, but I will survive somehow. Right now it's raining outside. It was raining throughout the whole night. Yeah, and it's gonna be raining throughout the whole day too, as I saw on the weather app. Right now I'm just gonna try to get myself something to eat, have my breakfast, and when the rain will be a little bit less at least, I'll try to go outside and show you what's around here. But for now, it's time to eat. Right now it is raining a little bit less. I went outside. As you can see, that's my tent, and I am under a bridge. Yeah, today, the whole day, there should be rains, so I'm just gonna be here. Tomorrow it should be sunny, as the weather app showed, so I'm gonna go and take a look around, see maybe I can find a better place to put up my tent. But for today, I'm gonna be trying to probably make myself a pipe out of a bamboo. I didn't take the bamboo shots that I showed before, but I did cut a few pieces. So yeah, my rolling papers got wet with this weather, and I will want to smoke some tobacco. I know it's not the best habit, but it is as it is. Yeah, my phone battery is also running out, so I'm not sure how much I will be able to film today. I just hope that I can get also a little bit more rest tonight. I really need to get some sleep. Yeah. new day. And yeah, finally today I got to charge my phone a little bit because I had a little bit of sun. Right now it's again a bit more cloudy. So yeah, I did pack some of my stuff already. All I need to do is pack my tent. I'm thinking to have a little bit of food, so I'll try to make a small campfire because all I have left is the chicken that I have to prepare on. I hope I will be able to make the fire because everything was wet, so I was preparing a little bit of wood. Yeah, I've taken off the bark from the sticks, the one that was soaking wet, and hopefully that will help me to start the fire better and to make a little bit of food. But if the weather ain't gonna be changing, I think I'm gonna have to stop with the camping here. As much as I've looked around, not many places where I could go and put up a tent easily. Everything is more or less wet. So yeah, not as much sun as I hoped, but I'll think of something. For now, I'm gonna try to just make the fire and make myself some food. The fire worked out pretty well. I was kind of lucky because I almost ran out of matchsticks. I have only one matchstick left, so yeah, lucky. But now I'm waiting for the embers to appear, for the wood to burn a little bit more, and then I'm gonna be going to prepare the chicken. I have my first piece of chicken made, so let's go and try it. And afterwards I think I'm gonna go and search for more firewood to cook the rest of the meat. Let's try it. Nice. After having a good lunch, I've packed my bags. Yeah, have everything inside. I've decided that I'm gonna go back to the Oasis da Estrela, where I'm volunteering at. Spend the night there, and tomorrow I wanna still go somewhere, so I was thinking to go hike a bit through the mountains. There should be a lake somewhere there, not so far. And I believe I might find a better place to put up a tent and maybe spend one night there. Just enjoy the nature. So right now I'm gonna be heading back, as I said. But yeah, one more thing. I finally got my sleep. It's so good. Yeah. Insomnia is not the best thing to get you in your life. Oh, shit. Cool. So yeah, I'm feeling way better. Let's go. am back at Oasis Das Estrelas. I'm gonna spend the night here, as I've said before. I have my tent set up. I'm ready for the night. Just gonna eat something real quick. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna be leaving towards the mountain. Yeah, I've been told that there's a lake. There used to be an old uranium mine. So there should be some nice views around there, and no houses, no bridges. And I'm gonna spend one night there and just gonna try to enjoy the nature. Right now, yeah, I'm gonna be finishing my day, and see you in the morning.